Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today is book 8, I believe, of our creative book club, and I cheated and read this book before I journaled. So I'm just going to do a generic, kind of a bit of a cover of the book here. Because I am a cheater. But as you watch me kind of do my own version of a sunrise in paradise here using acrylic paints but with lots of water. I'm going to read the back of the book because this video is a little bit short and I want to make sure I get through it. So this is Winter in Paradise by Elin Hilderbrand. And it says Irene Steele shares her idyllic life with her 2 sons and a husband who adores her to skywriting sentimental extremes. But as she rings in the new year, one cold and snowy night, everything she thought she knew falls to pieces with a single phone call. Her beloved husband, away on business, has been killed in a plane crash. Before Irene can even process the news, she must confront the perplexing details of her husband's death on the distant Caribbean island of St. John. When Irene and her sons arrive at this faraway paradise, they make yet another shocking discovery. Her husband had been living a double life. As the Steeles slowly untangle his web of lies, they finally face the truth about their family and about their own futures. Rich with the lush beauty of the tropics and the drama, romance, and intrigue only Elin Hilderbrand can deliver, Winter in Paradise is a truly transporting novel in the exciting start to a new series. So, as I said, I did kind of cheat, and I read this book before journaling. I'm so sorry. But it is part of a 3-story series. And I will add that I am currently reading the second part of the series because I enjoyed the first one so much. So, I hope that if you haven't already read it, that you take a gamble as to what the story is about, what it might be alluding to. But most of all, I hope that you read the book and take the time to journal and time for yourself and maybe dream a little. What is your paradise? If you have a cold winter where you live, what would that look like for you to get away? Is it something on the beach? Does it have palm trees? Is it watching the sunset? Is it watching the sunrise? Just lots of things to think about. But the important thing is that you take time for yourself to just relax and dream and do something creative. And I will point out, I actually did pretty good on my handwriting there. Usually I'm horribly off, but yeah, I hope that you read the book. Tune in next week, and we'll do a craft together. And I hope you enjoy the book, and I truly hope that you read the whole series. And I'm looking forward to book 2, and I'm sure I'm going to be looking forward towards book 3. But just tune in next week, and we'll do the craft together, and then we'll pick another book. All right. Thank you so much for watching.